Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out one of the most popular home treadmills on the market, the NordicTrack T-Series. If you're looking to build a compact but powerful home gym setup, this treadmill packs in performance, smart features, and durability without taking up a ton of space. The first thing you notice is the clean, modern design. It folds up easily with the SpaceSaver mechanism, making it perfect for apartments, bedrooms, or shared workout spaces. Despite its compact build, the running belt is wide enough to feel natural and comfortable, whether you walk, jog, or run at full speed. The NordicTrack T-Series features a smooth, quiet motor designed for long sessions, interval training, or daily walking routines. The speed range goes up to 10 miles per hour depending on the model, and the incline function lets you adjust intensity quickly, great for burning calories or building leg strength. What makes this treadmill stand out is the integration with iFIT. With your subscription, you can follow world-class trainers who adjust your speed and incline automatically during workouts. It turns your living room run into an interactive, guided training experience. The display is clear and easy to use, showing distance, time, calories, speed, and incline. Some models offer enhanced HD screens for streaming workouts directly. The treadmill also includes built-in heart rate sensors, Bluetooth connectivity, and convenient quick control buttons that make switching speeds and inclines effortless. For joint protection, you get NordicTrack's onboard cushioning system. It reduces impact on your knees and ankles while maintaining a natural running feel. The sturdy frame ensures stability even at higher speeds. If you're aiming to stay consistent with cardio without relying on a gym membership, the NordicTrack T-Series offers a strong balance of smart features, durable build, and user-friendly design. Check the link below if you want to grab one, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Gadgetverse reviews.